Hi guys, this is me, Mr. Wee. Whoops, sorry about that. We're just going to go through a proof that's actually in your book on page 448. It's going to be right here, so you can actually follow the steps, but I'm going to show you kind of like the thought process behind what goes behind it. So what we know so far is that CA and CT are going to be the same, so if you need to make marks, you may. Well, not in the book, but you can kind of make your own drawing and notes. So this is going to be good for your notes. Whoops, sorry about that. Give me 1 second. It's kind of windy out here. So kind of need to hold some stuff down. Okay, so what is given to you right here? So we're going to start our two-column proof. Is that, so we know that these are statements and these are reasons. S for statements, R for reasons. The first thing we're going to put is that CA is equal to CT, and then the first thing that we know is that it's given. And basically, the target in doing proofs, I should have said this kind of earlier during the year, is that you kind of want to like start talking or start making statements about things that are already in the general final line. Sometimes you can't do that. It's like it takes too many steps to get to that point. But this one's actually pretty straightforward because this is by the way, we're in I think this is 7.5 triangle inequalities. So if you remember CL plus LT, why don't we just make that our next statement and try to figure out something that we do know about CL and LT. If you think about it, CL and LT, if you remember like the triangle inequality theorem, it said that any two sides of a triangle combined, if it's a proper triangle, should be bigger than the third side. So CL plus LT is going to be bigger than CT, so we know that for sure. And the reason why, it's simply because of the triangle inequality theorem. Any two sides of a triangle is going to be bigger than the third side, so that's one triangle. And the cool thing is, we were given that CA, this side is the same thing as this side, so we can actually just substitute that in. So we know that CL and LT are bigger than CT, and CT is equal to CA. So that means CL and LT, these two are going to be also bigger than CA as well. And that's actually what we're trying to prove. So that last step required us to do substitution, to substitute in CA for CT, since they're equal to each other. So instead of CT, we put in CA. So literally that's substitution, okay? I think some of you guys might be wondering if you guys can use the transitive property of equality or inequality, or in this case I guess it's of inequality, and yes, you can do that. So yeah, all right, cool. All right, you guys have a great day, and I'm gonna try to put up another video on another proof. Okay, this is for 7.5. Thank you guys very much. Bye.